An Oklahoma Marital Settlement Agreement is a contract allowing divorcing couples to enter into a binding arrangement regarding the terms of their separation. In the document, the spouses can establish how their marital property, assets, debts, and child custody, if any, will be dispersed post-divorce. Settlement agreements stand to cut time in court and, perhaps more importantly, may avoid hiring an expensive attorney. This video will outline a settlement contract and its functions, as well as some unique legal requirements in Oklahoma. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Make sure to watch to the end of this video where we'll give you a link where you can make your own marital settlement agreement online, potentially saving you thousands of dollars during the divorce process. With that, let's talk a little bit about what is a marital settlement agreement. This agreement can be a helpful instrument for couples who can work together, either alone or with a neutral mediator, so that they may reach fair and reasonable terms for separation. Here are just a few common benefits of drafting a settlement. It includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details behind the grounds for divorce, can avoid a drawn-out trial in district court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets, especially real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, can be kept as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. The spouses can accelerate the process by completing this document and presenting it in court if and when both spouses see eye to eye on the distribution terms. This way, the divorce can be quicker and more affordable, as opposed to undergoing trial proceedings or hiring an attorney or divorce mediator. Now, it's also worth noting some general legal requirements in Oklahoma. Oklahoma is one of the 41 states governed by equitable distribution law. Equitable distribution is the fair dispersion of assets, meaning it's often not necessarily an equal or 50-50 divide. When applying equitable distribution, the courts and their appointed judges take into account the duration of the marriage, each spouse's expenses, employability of each spouse, the combined assets of each individual spouse, and sources of income and total amount. Note that settlement agreements may be used in Oklahoma to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses reach an accord on most terms, they can file for an uncontested divorce and submit their settlement to a judge for approval. Still, a judge may still interfere if the dispersion is deemed unfair based on each spouse's financial and personal credentials. And finally, another two legal requirements involve state and county residency. Either spouse, petitioner, or respondent must have lived in the state for at least 6 months prior to filing the action. And the petitioner, the spouse filing the divorce action, must be a resident of the county where they are filing for at least 30 days before doing so. Once all requirements are satisfied, the couple may commence the dissolution process by negotiating their terms and recording them on a marital settlement agreement, later submitting it to a district court judge. All told, the process usually takes anywhere from 10 to 90 days. We're eForms, the most expansive database of legal documents. We have created a complex and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the Oklahoma Marital Settlement Agreement. To get this official template that can be used to file for divorce in your local district court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.